Okay, so today we're gonna show you what we have done to a Swing 1250. We mounted it on a GNC topic. This unit has been completely refurbished. As you can see here, it's 90 yards an hour, I think is what it is. It's rated at 90 cubic yards an hour. We did put a brand new hydraulic pump, brand new hydraulic system. We went through all the wet parts, and basically it looks like a brand new machine. We sandblasted it, we painted it, and we also did a little bit of custom work on the chassis and the cab. So here we go.
Don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can go to our website, liveequipment.com, and you can see a complete list of equipment we have available for sale. Or just keep navigating through this channel. Have a great day.